Hi everyone, this is Prithvi Prabhu, your section CS309. I'm here to explain about the usage of friend and virtual function in C++. Friend and virtual, these things can be used when we want to use any function or anything classes outside the present class, outside the base class. For example, we have a function called show, which will be in the direct class, which will be in the base class. We have to use that outside the class. So to use that, we can use virtual, and friend class means each and every value present in the base class can be used in the derived class. Let's see an example for that. Here I have declared two matrices, class matrix B and matrix A. And why I have declared class matrix here is, in the matrix A class we are going to use matrix B too. So the compiler shouldn't get confused. So we are using matrix B here, and I have declared array of 2 and 3 arrays over here. A for the normal one, and B for the second matrix, and C for the combined one. Here we are going to add two matrices with the use of friend function. See here I'm putting get data and display. This is get data is to get the details of the matrix of the first and second matrix, and display is to display those matrices outside. This friend matrix A will add matrix A and matrix B. We can normally give functions like void something and all, but using this matrix A, the first matrix values will be taken here, and in below in the matrix B, same function will be given, but this matrix will be taken from that other class. Same goes with these two. This is to get the data from the user, and this is to display the matrix. See, here we have declared only one array, that is the second array, second matrix. Again I am using same get data to get this data from the user, display to display the data, and again I have used all the functions here. Here again only the second matrix will be taken into account. This thing will be taken from this class. And here this, see here we have not used anything friend, because before we have declared already. So this thing matrix function can get the values outside the class from the base classes. See, matrix add A B. When this function is given, automatically the first matrix will be added up. See, normal matrix, which normal two-dimensional array and the addition of matrices, which we have seen before, like that these two matrices will be added. Two loops, and again placing the added array in the third array, like that, and it will be displayed outside. Again matrix subtraction is taking place here. It will take the values from both the matrix and again minus it. For matrix multiplication, it is like we have to multiply the row and column for one value. So I'm using this formula to multiply the row and the column, and that specified value will be taken for the third array in only the multiplication. And according to that, matrix A, matrix B, M1 get data, M2 get data, and finally multiply, division, everything will be taken here. So let's run the program and see. This is the first matrix. Second matrix over here, and the sum is here, difference is here, multiplication. This is how friend function is used. Let's see about virtual function. I've used a class publication with title and price as the private members, and here I've used virtual void. This thing we are getting from the user, and when these things are taken, see, even outside this function virtual void put data, this is to display the data. These two functions only can be used within the class, but to use this outside the class, we are using a special key as virtual. If this is not given, automatically normally whatever we given will be published, but since we have given this, the present thing will be present thing which we are taking from the user will be placed in the new get data and new display. And we have another class which is a derived class, which is gets a page count. Here this data is to get the number of pages in the book, and again to display it. And this one again another third class to get the play time, tabs playing time. And for all these in this class before one, page count, and in this class tape, we are using get data, but normally you are using void get data, but the function, the values from the first base class will be derived and will be used here. So I have declared two objects B and T. This thing gets data. So if we want to get data, means only it will B dot get data means it will only get the thing for page count. But here, because we have used virtual, it will also ask for the name, title, and everything. And again, T put data, T get data. This thing it should only ask here. If we use only T, it should ask only this one, tabs playing time. But since we have used to virtual, it will ask for the previous base class. Let's run the program and see. Tr get see, I've just given these two things, but once we give the book, page count and playing time, automatically it when we call the function, it goes back to the base class and gets the title name from that and reads it outside. This is how virtual function is used. Thank you.